Nakakalungkot pero meron tayong top 5 possible El Tocuyo candidates for Miss Universe 2024. Sino nga ba sila? By the way, El Tocuyo means eto yung mga candidates na laging napipick as one of their top 5 bets. However, during the finals night, hindi sila nakapasok sa first cut. So, ibig sabihin, naligwak po sila. Let's begin with Brazil. Bakit si Brazil? Kasi nung nanalo siya sa kanyang national pageant, ang daming positive comments sa kanya, and then nung nag-start ang Miss Universe, Brazil has always been one of the top picks na mga pageant vloggers. However, during the preliminary competition, marami ang hindi natuwa sa kanyang performance. So, probably, baka Brazil ang isa sa mga possible lang ha. So, huwag kayong magagalit. Second possibility is Finland. This ice princess has a promising na